All right, let's move on. I'll move on. So not sure if your air conditioning is working properly. You're hot, that's why you're... Well, now is the time to find out.
Yes, is it warm in here? The R&R Mechanical Services is ready to help you out in today's Home Sweet Home tip. Take a look.
Hi, I'm Guma with R&R Mechanical Heating and Cooling. You know, this is the time of the year where we're already expecting the summer to roll in. It's recommended that you have your AC serviced every year. When you call R&R Mechanical to come in and do a preventive maintenance inspection on your air conditioning, what's going to happen is we're going to schedule your call to your convenience. We're going to come in. We're gonna check not only the outside portion, because some of the air AC is also contained inside. The furnace works with your AC to move that air. So we're gonna make sure you have a clean filter. We're gonna go outside, make sure we check all your electronics, make sure we check your compressor, make sure everything's clear around that condenser. That condenser needs fresh air as well. Make sure that coil is clean. If anything needs to be done, any repairs need to be performed, we're gonna give you choices of what to do, and then you're gonna decide, whether it's something doable for repair or something you wanna look at a price for replacement. It all depends on the age of that equipment. So the call is for you to make.